Hello everyone, it's me Louis Carpuz. Today we're gonna go to JNT again. We're gonna deliver this female clothes. We'll go to JNT. We have a little bit of online used clothes business. So someone bought this skirt for women, so we're gonna deliver. Here in Baguio, ukay-ukay is very popular, so here's a branded women's skirt. We're gonna deliver it to JNT. So yeah, this tree, I kind of like this tree. They are fixing our road. JNT.